woke up and we cannot see outside any of the windows. 2026 blizzard. Just want to show all the windows are blocked.
I think you had, like I said, the front.
Yeah, I will. Hit the doors. We're insulated. I don't even know if Bear's gonna want to go out here. Wow, look at all the snow. He's like, go pee pee where? He's peeing right there. Look at the telephone wire. It's like really low. Holy crap, where are the cars? Can't even see the cars.
Oh, he peed?
Yeah, he just peed right there.
That's my plants. Well, that's
He
good.
probably has to poop though. Oh, he is. He is. Smart dog. He's like, I'm not going down there. It's so deep. We're going back out. I was really intrigued when I woke up and couldn't see outside the windows. Check out the exterior on the porch. Look at the windows. Well, we have not touched anything else besides the porch yet. And that's how much snow we've gotten. You can see on the railings. This telephone wire is not supposed to be that low. Should we go down? Oh my gosh. I'm on the stairs if you can't tell. Oh my goodness. It's like half of me. Oh my gosh. Are you coming with me? It's okay there. Oh wow. Oh, I'm swimming in it and the snow's so light and fluffy. I'm gonna let him go inside. I feel like it's too deep. All right, Barrett, go back inside. Barry, you wanna go back in? Go back in. Go back inside. Go back inside. I locked myself out. That's okay. I think there's nothing on the porch that could possibly help me with that. And I was about to tell you where it was. I want to let him back in. Go inside, Bear. Go inside. Now I can't close it because the towel is in the way. All right. I'm not even going to be able to open this gate. See if I can hop over the pointy fence. Yeah, I can open it. Squeeze myself through. I just want to close it just in case anybody lets Bear back out for whatever reason. All right, let's walk to the cars. I wish I had something to protect my phone while I'm out here. Maybe if I hold the phone like more down, the lens won't get super wet. This is my car, Naveen, my Rav Nav. Last night though, I did stick a windshield cover on and like a back cover on her. So when we're ready to peel that off, because I actually have 3 appointments tomorrow that I need to get to by 11:30 is the first one. I put those on hoping it would help me get out of here knowing I have those appointments. So I've never actually used them before. I thought this was the perfect opportunity for some snow gear that I have. This is my mom's car that my little brother uses all the time. And this is his girlfriend's car. This is a big pile of snow from the last storm that we had like a month ago that just never melted because the temperatures really didn't drop for a while. And the wind is picking up now. But no power outage here. That rarely happens for us. Nobody's supposed to be on the roads. There's like a travel ban. Oh, here a plow is coming now. Look at the mailboxes. Oh, I was gonna cross over, but there's a plow coming. So I should probably just get out of the way. I'm just so thankful that no trees were knocked over because I always think about the cars sitting in the driveway. Yeah, I mean, I think I could get out. I wonder what it's like inside. It's probably super cozy, to be honest. Kind of wish I slept in there now. I don't know how it would have been getting out because sometimes the doors freeze. So the snow is just on top of the snow. But this was a path I shoveled out before. Look, it's up to the gate. We are not getting inside the backyard from this way. There's a big pile of snow from the last storm. Hope everybody's okay. I hope everybody stayed off the roads, and I hope the people that were outside found warm shelter somewhere and survived the night. I thought this was gonna go until tomorrow morning, but I heard that it will be going until 5 p.m. And then tomorrow gives us a whole day, and then we're back to snow on Wednesday and Thursday and Friday, I believe, but not like this. This was just a one night blizzard, and they said it was gonna be worse than the 1996 storm, which I didn't know happened. I only knew about the 1978 storm, but I wonder if it's worse than the 78 storm. You know, I wasn't alive for that, so I don't know. This is the first time I've ever seen this. Like, I thought the last time it snowed was a lot. This is double. I am absolutely fascinated. Guess I could have crossed to check out the mailbox, but definitely no mail in it because yesterday was Sunday. I just want to stay out here. I'm not even cold. Just squeeze past this gate. I just want to go and check out the backyard. Woo! I bet you this is like a daily thing for some people out there in the coldest parts of the world. This is like a good exercise though, trying to get your legs up and out of the snow. Sorry for the bad quality. I'm using like an old iPhone 13, I think, or 11. I've had it for a couple years and I bought it used. Definitely need to upgrade on the lens factor. Let's check behind me. Also, there's snow on the front camera. I'm gonna lay down. Oh my gosh, that is comfortable. Woo! Wow, you just walk and it makes a wall, and you lay down, you feel like you're kind of in a hole. There's a plow. Thank you, plow. Oh gosh, how do I get up? That's always the issue. You just use your hands to get up, but I don't have any gloves on, so I have to use my body strength and some, you know, adrenaline there, because I'm just loving this. Trying to enter the backyard from the front yard. I couldn't let Bear do this. He knew he didn't want to walk in this because he went to the bathroom on the porch. And I was wondering last night, I was like, how are people gonna take their dogs out if they don't have a backyard or an option like that? They just have to go on the street probably. I don't know, just go right there wherever they are outside. Wow, wow. I'm trying to keep the phone down so that the snow doesn't get on the lens for what I'm looking for to look at here. If you were stuck walking in this, oh my gosh, I would probably pass out and die in the snow, because I only walked from the front to the backyard and I am really warm and my legs are burning and I'm about ready to just turn around. I really don't think I'm gonna make it out here. Here I am. Here I am, still missing a tooth. I'm supposed to get that done tomorrow. That's one of my appointments. Get the body shot. I'm pretty short, but I'm not like the shortest. You know, I just fall in that range. I'm carrying my gloves, I'm not using them. Something I don't want to lose though. Whew. If I drop them without realizing, they would probably be a goner until all the snow melts. So nobody can even see me out here right now. This is what the house looks like from the backyard. Whew. Hang on. I gotta flip the camera. Just still trying to get a full shot. My hair's already full of snow and my eyelashes. That's so cool. I don't think I've ever been anywhere where oh no, it's just snow. I thought it was like frozen. Okay, let's get a shot of the house. This is the back of the house. All the windows. I honestly feel like it's warmer in the house though now than it's ever been because everything is just like sealed with snow. It looks like a giant snowy cabin in the woods. There's some stairs here somewhere. So going back and forth now from the front to the back in my path is actually very easy because I created a little path here. We're going back up and then we're gonna go back and turn around again. I am sweating, I do feel very warm. Showing you the depth here. I can see how this would be extremely scary, especially if you had only one way to go and couldn't turn around to use your path that you just made. I was walking around in this little area here. Back at the house in the back. We're gonna head back to the house in the front. I just gotta get up because as much as I love how fluffy the snow is, I am just sinking into it, and every time I try to get up it pulls me back in. Let me just put on the glove. Just enough to stick my hand down here. Oh. Get myself up. Yeah. We did that. Also, I think I'm sick to my stomach. I don't know why. I don't feel cold at all out here right now because I'm moving around so much. Had that playground set for like 15 plus years. Hope you can actually kind of tell the walls I've created here to make this path just by walking straight through it. Awesome. Oh wow, the snow. The snow made the fence collapse. It was already broken, but it's like falling. That one's up. This one's falling down. It's kind of a nice area underneath for some bunnies to hide away in or something. Oh. We're back at the front. Bear, you can come out on the porch with me. I had this idea because Bear was upstairs, so I was going to sneak out and sit on the couch. But he just came down. I don't know, I'd almost rather be outside. I don't really want to go in. Oh, okay, yeah, jump up, Bear. Join me on the couch. Good boy. I love you. He does love the snow, but, you know, when his legs aren't covered in it. Isn't this awesome, Bear? I love my puppy. My healthy, happy puppy. Just wanted to sit out here. It's just so nice. It's like the house is kind of almost too warm. A bird! That's a robin. That's a robin sitting up there. All bundled up. Woo! He's cute. He's got a little orange belly that I can see from here, but the video doesn't really capture it. Cute bird. Yesterday I saw a bright red bird. Cardinal. He's just chilling with us up there. Or we're chilling with him because I think he was there when we came out. I'm not sure. Oh, this is so nice though. I should make my coffee out here. I have a little portable coffee maker. We should just camp out here on the porch. Oh, I'm out of butane since I get my little stove, but I don't have any butane. This is fun. It's just peaceful and cool when you have a nice spot to sit. You know? It's like refreshing and quiet, and I don't know. You go inside the house and you feel kind of trapped. What are my plans today? My plans today are to get some laundry done, to do some vacuuming, maybe bake cookies. What else do I have to do? Oh, I wanted to go over some commands with Bear, such as leave it, drop it, place, and I'm not sure. There might be another one. I think there were 4 commands I wanted to work on with him. But then, oh, maybe look at me. And I wanted to do like a sniff game with him and hide his toys. Oh, find. Play a game of find. Teach him find a little bit more. Oh my god, that is a blue jay. Oh my gosh. Beautiful, beautiful bird. I love blue jays. Oh my gosh, I wish my camera could show you the colors better. That bird is so blue. It's so beautiful. Wow. I'm shocked that I'm seeing birds right now. Birds are like, well, I don't know why they're such a controversial topic, but I'm kind of a fan of birds. I mean, I don't want them too close to me sometimes. He's peeing on a bunch of dead plants, so it's all good. It'd be all good anyway, right? Look at us, covered in snow. Either way, it doesn't matter. And I'm starting to realize a lot of things don't. You know, I look at the way my younger siblings live with their not so worrisome mindset, and I don't know. It seems more authentic to them. You know? You found the couch Bear! I want to get to that point where you kind of like know things will end up working out themselves and you don't have to spend your time trying to prevent or worry or, I don't know, figure it out before anything even happens. What are you doing? What are you doing, my little wolf? My little snow puppy. Woo! Couch? Right here. Jump up. Yeah, jump up. All the way. Okay. Where are you going? Did you want to go inside? Do you want breakfast? I gotta feed you. Yeah, I gotta feed you. That's true. This is my first crazy snowstorm like this. And I'm sure it could get crazier. Oh, another bird, another robin. Where is it? Oh, it's like right there. What are these birds doing? These birds don't let anything stop them from living their lives. Snowstorms don't cancel anything in Mother Nature. They're singing. You can hear little birds tweeting. And I can hear the beeping from the plows. And the wind. Hi. Hi, Baba. I don't know why he has his collar on. Probably unnecessary today, but he's not going anywhere. Oh, I see another robin. So it's 3 robins I've seen, but I don't know if it's the same robin that I keep seeing. Either way, he's a very active bird right now. I tend to feel more awake after I've had an ice cold drink or something versus having a hot one. Sometimes when I have a hot drink, I feel sleepier. Another red robin! 2 red robins up there. If I had a hot beverage right now, it definitely make me sleepy because I'm actually starting to crash from walking in the snow. But I also feel awake because it's cold. A lot of things can be true at once. It's mind-boggling. I can be tired and awake at the same time. Maybe because like my mind is awake and my body is tired, but I feel alert because, you know, if you fell asleep right here or something, you would freeze. It's almost like your body knows it's too cold to sleep, you can't do it. There's something, so it keeps you awake. Your mind keeps you awake so that your body doesn't fall asleep, because your mind is what controls your body. Oh, he wants to go in. You want to go inside, Bear? Are your feet getting cold? You can go inside, Bubba. You want breakfast? All right, I guess we should go get him breakfast. Okay, I'm gonna come back out later. It's a nice spot. Okay, we're back out here because Bear actually is having a blast running through the snow, and it's adorable. So we're gonna get it on camera. We should make a racetrack for him to run around in. We should do that, like create our paths, because he's having so fun running through this.
So fun.
This path that is already here from earlier.
Such a long.
All right, let's go. Let's make it across. Let's make it across and loop around. Wait, you go first. Bear. Ah! Let's go. Let's go. Bear, you're getting covered. You're even too small for all this snow. I lost my boot. Oh my goodness. Yeah, now he's got a path to run through. Yeah, let's walk around. I thought you were heading to the playground. Yeah. You could have gone all the way. Are you having fun, Bear? Come on, Bear! Okay, we can go in because of the wind. Wow, yeah, the wind just picked up. We'll have to do our racetrack later. Let's go, Bear. I just want to make paths. I just want to make a maze. We should make a maze. This is the start of it, you know? The circle. And then that path going to the front. I saw people creating paths for their little dogs in the snow. Now we have to make paths for our big dogs. Bear's a medium large sized dog. He's still not big enough. I don't know what dog would be. Maybe a Great Dane. Oh, and then we could even create a path that leads up here. Oh, can I walk through this? Hi, Bear. Woo! Ah! Yes, 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 yes. Oh, we did it. We did it. You don't need a shovel. You just use your body and you walk right through it. Oh my gosh, it's so fun to make a maze in this snow. Bear's right behind me. Go ahead, Bear. Yes, we create a path. What are you doing? What are you doing? Can't even see your face. He's going to get that bird. Oh, he's having a blast. Maybe he's getting like too warm to feel how cold it is. You want to run? Want to run through this path? Oh, it's turning around. Yay! Are you going that way? I thought we were going inside, but then the wind calmed down again. So I just want to keep like walking around. Oh, is he pooping? Oh, I thought he was gonna poop. It looked like he was about to. Because he already did in the front. I love fresh snow. This was much needed because the snow that was here for like a month. It was all poopy peepy And I picked up the poop like 3 different times and I had bags full of it because I had to pick up the snow with it. We don't even have to worry about leftover stuff that it left on the snow, and it's all fresh, clean snow. Is it getting too cold? Bear, do you want to go inside? I do feel like he's part husky though. This kid sounds like a husky every now and then. I don't think he wants to go in. I think he's having fun. And so am I. Yeah, you made that path, Bear. You made that one. You don't want to go in? Oh, you're turning around? What? Are you okay? You got it, Bear. Keep going. You're almost there. There you go. Oh, there he is. I feel like we're hiking. We're hiking in the backyard. And keep going. Oh, dive down. There's right behind me. A good boy. Hey, a good boy. Swings are buried. I can't believe how many birds are out. The bear just took off trying to get one. He's over there now. He's by the front door. There he is. I'm gonna make another path. The snow is kind of dry, but it doesn't feel too cold because it's not melting on you and then freezing. So a little path, a little turnaround. This is a whole new experience. Being able to create a whole maze in your backyard. I'm gonna go find my dog. There he is. He just is having fun running around the paths. Let me sit there. Hi. He seems very alert, like he's looking for something. Like he has a job to do out here. Go find it! What, you want to make a new path down there? So you can investigate the people that are plowing? Alright, follow me. Are you coming? Oh, are you leaving me? Just doing this for him. He seemed curious what was over here, but he just abandoned ship. He's coming. Oh, it looks like they got their plow stuck. You wouldn't be able to tell, but there's 3 cars right there. And we got a plow and another truck over here. All right, let's slip around. Woo! Want to go back? Okay. Wind's picking up again. We just made a little loop. I can never see where he went. Too many forks in the road. He's behind me. I thought you went this way. New path? That plow is stuck. Okay, I thought they were moving, but it was a different plow. That plow is still stuck. Because it's slanted, it looks like it's to the side and not where it's supposed to be. And I heard them talking about trying to move the wheel and stuff earlier, and they've been in the same spot for a while now. They're plow guys. They should be experts. They should be okay and be able to get someone out here. If not, I mean, I could see it happening, getting a plow stuck in the snow. I mean, when have they dealt with this kind of snow? Like, when's the last time? You know what I mean? You can hear them trying to get it going somewhere. It's not moving anywhere. Doesn't sound like they're going anywhere. It'd be so cool if I got them coming out. Alright, we'll have to check back in later. See if they're doing okay. I believe in you. How do they not have chains and stuff on? Snow chains. Or maybe they do. Maybe it's like the back. I don't know. I'm assuming a bunch of stuff from over here. I mean, I don't have any chains or anything to offer, but I feel like they would have that, so I don't know. Maybe they don't have that because they haven't experienced this kind of snow in a while, so maybe they didn't think they needed it. There's watching them. Yeah, this is new. Frozen hair. Never had frozen hair in my state before. Maybe I have. Just don't remember. Should I go ask if they need anything? I'm only wondering because I'm the only person that is outside witnessing it. But I feel like they would have like backup and stuff. I mean, what could I do that they can't? You know what I mean? That's my thought process, but I don't know. They haven't figured it out yet. I don't know what I'm doing. I guess I'm curious why they're still stuck. Should I ask? I feel weird. I feel like I can't really do anything. I feel like I'm just a girl. They're definitely stuck. They're like shoveling stuff out. My anxiety is rising. Why can't I be normal? I'm a person and I need help. What can I do? Should be like, hey, just wanted to see if you guys are okay. I don't know. I feel like nobody takes me seriously, dude. My phone's on 20% anyway. It's like if I'm gonna ask them, I should just go ask them, right? What's the harm? Why? My anxiety is like stopping me. This happens to me all the time. It's like if somebody else did it, I'd be like, good job. But when I do it, I'm like, nah, they don't need you. I should just do it and face my fear, because what is gonna happen? Nothing. Should I ask if they need anything? God. Alright. Let's go ask. I'm gonna ask. Just wave to the guy. Really what? Hi! I can see you guys stuck in my backyard. I'm like, oh my gosh, do they need anything? I'm not that I have anything to offer, but do you need me to call anybody or? Wow. Everybody's stuck? Because you haven't experienced this kind of snow. This is bad, yeah. Wow. I mean, I'd love to help. I don't know if I can help in any kind of way. You don't have like traction boards or chains?
It's so buried that it's gonna be some close.
How long is that gonna take? Do you have to wait? Wow. Wow. Alright, well, I'm really sorry about that. Thank you for, being out here. Anyway, hopefully they can get to you soon. I don't know. You can't leave and then come back? Yeah, I would do that. Alright, sorry. Have a good day. They probably just think I'm nosy. I'm not nosy. I want to be good. I want to live well. I feel like I'm screaming. I feel like I talk really loudly sometimes. I don't know why. And he's like talking really soft-spokenly. Well, I don't know. I faced my fear. And I talked to the nice man. And nothing bad happened. So that was good. I wonder if I could have offered them coffee. Woo! They got out!
What did you say? The tow truck went out?
Yeah, they got out. They hugged each other.
Did they get plowed out or they just got out?
No, they got themselves out with the second plow. which took like 2 hours. 2.5 hours, so they don't have to wait for a tow truck.
Yay.
I feel like this would actually be the perfect time to walk a dog. This road is always so busy and there's no sidewalk. I should take Bear for a walk right now. He's playing in the snow nonstop anyway. I feel like playing in the snow though is way more fun than going for a walk. So we'll probably just continue playing in the snow. Do I hear a plow? Actually, I gotta get out of the road. I hear something. Oh no. Yeah. It's like a truck. I wanna get over here. Of course they come when I decide to take a walk on the road. And that's why I can't walk Bear, because the plows are still plowing, but I thought they told them to stop plowing because a lot of plows were getting stuck and they told them to temporarily stop plowing, but I guess that's over now. That was probably just an hour or two ago. Guess the plows are back. I don't think the birds know there's a storm. Oh! I just oh my god, nobody cares. Okay. That works. You've been wanting to do that. Here's the maze. Kind of hard to see it, but this is the best top view of it that I can get. My parents have a sick backyard. I will say that. Big enough to create a maze. Super fun to make. And even more fun to run around in it. Oh, there you go. Bear! Find! Yes, good boy. That was an easy one. Trying to get him to understand the game here. All right, let me find him. He doesn't know. Okay, ready? Find! Trying to throw it in the paths. I guess we're still adding to the maze here. Ready? Find! Find! He's got it. Go get it! Oh, I wanted him to use the path, but that works. I'm right behind you, Bear. Do you want to go inside there? We've been playing in the snow all day. Non-stop. It's like almost 5 o'clock and we've been playing out here since like 11. We should only be getting 1 more inch today at this point. Should be stopping soon. We got around 24 inches, I think. It just looks like a lot more because there was already snow on the ground from before. Are you cold, Bear? You want to go inside? Are you cold? Thankfully, the snow's pretty dry, so it doesn't feel too cold. Oh my gosh, he just fully backed up into the camera. It's right there. So his snow jacket is, his winter bodysuit is it's really cute, but it's really just for when he's not moving around and it's really, really cold out and he starts shivering, then I put it on him. Or sleeping in the car in the cold. If he were to ever shiver, I would just put it on him. He's had multiple opportunities to go back inside today and hasn't really taken any of them, which is awesome. He's been outside all day, pretty much. Which I was surprised, because this morning when I tried to let him out to go to the bathroom, he didn't want to go in the snow until we made paths for him and stuff. Then he was all for it when he could walk in it, you know? Oh, he's just having a blast with this ball. A plain old tennis ball. I mean, if it weren't for the snow, I don't think it'd be that exciting. Good boy, Bear. You want me to throw it? Okay. Where is it, Bear? Find your ball. Yay, good boy, you found it. I don't know, we lost the orange ball and the blue ball. Oh, he found the blue ball. Where's the orange ball, Bear? That one might be a goner until the snow melts. I have no idea. I don't remember in this maze where I threw it. Oh my gosh, there's the orange ball. Okay, cool. And the other one.